Alright, so special thanks to Newbie for sending us their H365 USB headset. Nothing really bottom or top. Side, stretchable headband, soft memory ear pads, rotatable microphone, and this side, mute button, wide compatibility, HD microphone. The device is compatible with all kinds of mobile devices and computers. USB headset, Zoom, laptop, tablet. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. So that's the mic, very nice, super soft ear pad there. Wow. And that's nice and bendable. That's your audio cable, plug in. These are cable clips. That looks like an extra pad for right here. And then this gives you the ability to plug this into a computer with USB, and then you have mute, up and down volume, and turning the mic on and off. And even better included is this little USB-C adapter. So if you only have USB-A, you're good to go. If you have a newer laptop that's maybe only USB-C, you're also good to go. Love that. Then of course, operating manuals. So there we go. That'll do it for this Newbie headset. It truly seems like a very comfortable headset to wear all day if you were working or gaming or whatever you're doing on your computer. If you need the microphone and be able to hear people, this would be perfect for it. Thanks again to Newbie for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.